Let's test some safe household liquids to see if they are acids or bases. Hi, welcome to Cubby's Science. My name's Kevin. If you're new to the channel, thanks for stopping by. If you're not new to the channel, thanks for coming back. In this video, I'll be doing the third activity called acid or base from the science kit called My First Mind-Blowing Science Kit. I will put a link to that particular science kit down in the video description below. In the second activity from this kit, we actually looked at how a red cabbage powder, we looked at how that could be used as a pH indicator, and in this video we will see how red cabbage indicator liquid is used to test some safe household liquids to see if they're acid or base. So the materials from the kit that we're needing are 6 plastic cups. We need obviously the red cabbage powder, the small plastic scoop, the stirring stick here, and the pipette. All of that came in the kit as part of the kit. So we filled 1 cup 3/4 of the way full of water, just regular tap water. And now what we're going to do is we're going to take and put 2 scoops of the red cabbage powder into just the plain water to create our pH indicator, our red cabbage pH indicator. That's pretty cool to always watch that kind of disperse in the water. I'm going to go ahead and stir it so it can be evenly spread out, and when we get it in the pipette, we'll have a good solution going into these samples. Okay, the next thing we're going to do is we're going to take a few drops of this pH indicator, the red cabbage powder indicator, and we're going to drop it into these. And here are our samples. Our sample is lemon juice, regular whole milk. This is some liquid soap dissolved in some water. This is baking powder, not baking soda, but baking powder dissolved in water. And then this is vinegar. So if you've watched video 2, which is activity 2 is called color changing liquids, where we just looked at citric acid and baking soda, how they reacted to the red cabbage powder indicator. Here we're taking some household items that maybe you may know what they are if they're acidic or basic, maybe you don't, and maybe this will help us figure it out. So let's take a few drops and put them into each one. Again, this is the lemon juice. Remember, an acid will be pink or red, and then a base will be blue or green. Okay, that was the lemon juice. This is the milk. And remember, purple is going to be neutral. Okay, so we need some more in that one. Okay, when I stir it, the color goes away, so I'll just keep adding some more until it is all been able to react. I won't stir it this time. This is the soap. The next one in the middle is the soap. And then we've got baking powder. And then we've got vinegar. And since we've got so much left over, we'll go ahead and add a lot more to each one so we can get hopefully some better colors for the video. And remember, acid is pink or red, base is blue or green, neutral is going to be our purple. Okay, so again, lemon juice, milk, liquid soap, baking powder, and then our vinegar. So based on the color chart of acids being pink or red and bases being blue and green, and then neutral being purple, I would guess, and hopefully you would agree, that the lemon juice is going to be acidic. We don't necessarily know where it is in the range of 0 to 7. I think the milk would probably be neutral. The soap is basic, the blue, and then the baking powder, I believe I would classify that is neutral to maybe a little basic. It's not quite as purple as the milk. And then of course the vinegar is acid, and it is obviously an acid. So your lemon juice and your vinegar pretty close to each other as far as where they would fall on the pH scale. Well, I hope this activity has been useful to kind of piggyback on activity 2, which was the color changing liquid, which was just using the red cabbage, making it and using it with a definite base and a definite acid. But I hope this has been helpful. And this again is activity number 3, acid or base. Thank you for watching, and I hope you'll come back. Please consider subscribing to the channel and hitting the notification bell so that you won't miss any posting of new content on the channel. And we'll see you next time.